Hey, what's up everybody? Chris Souders, Slender Cat Outdoors, and this is day number 2 of pre-fishing for the Mississippi River monsters. I'm putting back in here at Mud Island, as you guys can tell, and we are ready to hit the river. Now, yesterday we went upriver, done a little pre-fishing upriver. Today we're going to go downriver, see if we can't kind of do the same. Put a plan together and hopefully kind of figure out what the fish are doing and just go from there. Just start putting all the details together. So let's get out here on the river, start doing some bumping, put some fish in the boat, have a good time. Well, Larry's hooked up with the third fish of the morning, which will be the first fish we get on camera. We've got a small flathead, a small blue, and then I think another small blue cat here. But we're bumping in some pretty fast current. We're going 1.5 miles an hour. We're in 45 foot of water. We're using 4 and 5 ounce weights and coming through some nasty structure. It's been
10 feet.
Tough bumping, but we've caught 3 fish, which really surprised me. We kind of thought we'd catch more than that, but
I'm 1 foot according to
that's a little bigger fish than what we thought.
a little bigger than what I thought it was. That's a lot bigger than what I thought it was. Holy smokes.
Nice.
That's good. I'm giving it.
All right, one last look at him. Nice fish, probably what, 20s?
Yeah.
20s. We're gonna get him back and catch another one. There we go. Finally hooked up on the second drift. Made a little move. Come down here to kind of sand, rock, mud. Kind of what we was fishing yesterday a little bit, but we're not on a wing dike or anything. But we do have some fish here.
Oh, we're doubled up.
Oh, we're doubled up. Or is this one in you?
I don't know. I seen it come across and yeah, it is.
Okay. That's a nice fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of a sudden my weight disappeared and I was like, wait a minute, well, hold on.
Come on over here, buddy. Now we marked 3 fish whenever we was getting ready to start this drift. I don't know if this is one of them or not, but I think we need the net on this one. Feels good to get the old rod bent over today. It's a long fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go.
That's the fish.
Nice. Well, I was going to give you a look at him, but there he went. There he went. In all his glory, he went right back to the Mississippi River. Nicholas hooked up with one now. Is he? Let me get out your way. Where's he at now?
Good, drop back in.
Need somebody to net it. him back and we'll... There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy, get him up. Get him up.
I'm way back here, so.
Oh boy. Well, maybe he's not. Hold on a second. He might.
Well, I'm coming in anyhow.
Huh? Yeah. He may not be as big as what I thought he was originally. I think he was wrapped up and I think I was pulling him sideways. But we hooked up again, haven't we? And we've been marking a bunch of, whoa. We've been marking a bunch of fish, and Nick just caught that one. And I got one hooked up here, and we're fishing in pretty deep water now.
Oh, you don't know how far you're out because you got a different reel.
Yeah, we're in about 50 to 60 foot of water on our revetment bank right now. This one's stretching the line pretty good.
I seen him there for a second, but
yeah. That's a little fatty. He is a fatty, isn't he? Yeah. Big old fat belly on this joker. Oh goodness.
that's a fatty. That fish is bigger.
Yeah. That's bigger than what I thought it was.
That's big fish of the day so far for us.
It sure is, isn't it? Oh man, that's a nice little fish. Yeah. Yeah. Look at there. Nice fish. Look at fat belly on that joker. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. We'll get him back. Catch another. Did you get him? Yeah. All right. Well, we're hooked up again. That's starting to happen pretty often now. You got a good one?
I don't think so.
Just about the same size? So we've been... Huh?
Didn't pull drag.
He says he didn't pull drag. He got spoiled yesterday. We had too many drag pullers yesterday. Well, these fish are hitting different today, aren't they, Larry?
Yeah, because I mean, he just took and just barely tap, tap, tap,
Yeah.
tap, 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 and then I couldn't catch up with it.
Now we're quite a piece away from Memphis. Heck, we're probably 50, 60 miles away from Memphis. And, you know, things can be so much different just from one area to the other. Even though you're on the same body of water, it can be different. But we have found some fish down here. This bank is loaded with a lot of fish, but I don't know that it has the right size fish. We haven't
Definitely not the quality.
Yeah, we haven't caught the quality today that we did yesterday, and we've put baits in the water a lot. But that's part of pre-fishing, isn't it? They just water skied that baby in.
Old Mississippi River blue cat.
Hey, get him?
Yeah.
Folks, I think we're on to something today. Larry just caught that last one.
Pull and drag.
And
Yeah.
but there just a second ago, a few minutes ago, Larry caught one. We reeled him up, and we actually went right back up above where he caught that one and got back in line. And we haven't been bumping down through here, what, 15 minutes? No, not even 15, 10 minutes.
Yeah, maybe.
And I had a hit, and then he caught one. So we're kind of on to something.
About the same size.
But those big ones still eluding us a little bit. But nonetheless, we are
Catch fish.
catching fish, having a good time. and yeah,
I'm
breaking it
clear over
apart.
there. It's clear over there towards Chris.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going back.
I'm gonna get mine out of the way.
Felt like it just pulled, like loose of the tail or something.
Oh, was he wrapped up?
I wonder. I can't hardly do anything with him.
How far is it?
Still 50 feet.
And folks, if you use a line counter, that can help out a lot. Knowing how far you are behind the boat, you can talk to people, you know, like the people you're fishing with. Hey, I'm 100 feet behind the boat, or whatever, and that just allows you guys to work together easier when you're doing this. The longer a bait is in the water, the better chance you have of catching fish on it. There ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about that. That's another solid fish. And this would be what, number 12?
I believe.
Number 12 for the day. 6 right here.
Oh, the current's just taking him right over
Nick, I cut the motor loose, buddy. Yeah. Just because we're gonna go fish in other spots. Beautiful fish. Let's go find a bigger one. Larry, it's time to do a little recap for the day. I know you're loving this. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and we're getting ready to do some skipjack stuff, put some stuff together for in the morning, but we're back at the house, and you know, we fished a lot today. We caught, what, 11 fish?
Yeah.
11 fish. Not, in my eyes, stellar, but what did you think?
It's all about having a good time. Good friends.
That's a cop-out answer. No, I mean, he's right, it is. But so, as far as like what you think, you know, I mean, we're leading up to a tournament, we're pre-fishing, you know.
Where we were today, I just didn't think we weren't on them enough to justify going down there.
Yeah, so we made a
In my opinion.
long run. We, you know, as you guys can see in the, you know, fish that we caught, we fished around a lot, hit a lot of places, and really only found fish in one good spot.
Yep.
They were good fish. You know, we was catching solid fish pretty consistently, but
Couldn't find those monsters
yeah, we couldn't find them big boys. But
that Mississippi is known for.
yeah, no kidding. But everything that we done today was kind of for a reason, and you know, we eliminated water.
Yep.
Got ourselves some more clues, and you know, we can't really make a full-on decision. We still got one more day. We got to go catch bait first thing in the morning. As you can see, he's getting everything ready. But we'll still have, hopefully, if everything goes well, we'll still have about half a day tomorrow to still get after it and finish putting something together. So if you're just watching this little series, and this is your first one, make sure you go back and you watch the first video from the Mississippi River trip. This is day 2, and tomorrow will be day 3, and then tournament day as well. So hopefully you're enjoying this little series. Hopefully you're learning stuff from it, and if you are, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if it's your first time watching the channel, and until next time, as always, God bless, tight lines, and we'll catch you on the water.